Do you want to know which are the 3 most powerful and expensive New Holland tractors in the world? The last one is an unbeatable giant. Third place, New Holland T7. Perfect for mixed farming work, agile yet powerful with 300 horsepower, high comfort and advanced technology. Price, around €200,000. Second place, New Holland T8. Ideal for large farms, 435 horsepower, assisted driving, luxury interior and outstanding performance. Price, around €280,000. First place, New Holland T9. The giant of the range, 670 horsepower, incredible traction, and the ability to work across thousands of hectares. Price, up to €650,000.